Good morning, Preeti. Good morning, Vinayak. Hope you're doing well. I hope you can hear me. Quickly give me a thumbs up. Are you able to hear me? Good morning. Can you hear me, students? Preeti and Vinayak, am I audible? Okay. Thank you so much, Vinayak. Thank you so much for the response. So we are going to continue with our series. We are going to solve some good questions so that we are all set to prepare for the upcoming exam. So another good questions continuing in the series. So let's quickly start. Hi Ankit, hi Udbisata, good morning. Before we proceed, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Juhi Narula. I have 12 years of experience in training students for CAT, GMAT, and GRE. I also happen to be a life skills coach and a content creator. I've done my bachelor's in technology and master's in business administration. So that's a quick about me. This is the Telegram channel. So I hope you're solving the questions which I'm putting on the Telegram channel. The solution has been provided in the evening class. So what do we do in the evening? We try to incorporate the question. So that end of the day you can see the solution. So yesterday's question was also explained in the YouTube session that happened at 8 p.m. Otherwise the answer I've put in the group. Okay, hi Gautam, hi Tanmay, hi Ganesha. So apart from our free sessions on special classes and the YouTube sessions, we also have two subscriptions that we call Plus and Iconic. So in Plus subscription, you are trained by India's best educators. The sessions are interactive, the courses are structured, they are live test and quizzes. In Iconic, you have all the features of Plus. Apart from it, you have a personal coach. So this is again, I always highlight. If you have a professional person to go to, your life really becomes easy. Then we also help you with other management entrance tests. There are expert guidelines, detailed test analysis. All this is very important when you're targeting an exam like CAT because competition is huge. They're working professionals. They are pass outs from premier colleges. तो वैसे ही profile में थोड़ा edge मिल जाता है. And then with good percentiles also, then fierce battles are there. So you need to give your best shot. Okay. So this is the subscription fees. So for 24 months, the fees is 32,800. For 12 months, it is 22,550. And for Iconic, the fees for 24 months is 67,000, and for 12 months, it is 39,500. You can use the code JNLive10 to get a 10% off on any of the subscriptions. So let's quickly start. Now, see, we have already talked about all these things, but I feel that your quick revision every time we are solving the questions is very, it's a good thing to do, right? It keeps you more aware and it keeps you conscious of the concepts that you're going to apply. Hi, Oshan. Hi, Saurabh. Good morning. So the author writes the argument in order to reach to a claim or a conclusion, and in order to validate that claim or conclusion, the author offers premise. So on the basis of the premise, you draw the conclusion. If there is any gap in the argument, thank you so much, Saurabh. I wish you the same. So if there is any gap in the argument, that is bridged by assumption. So that is taken care by assumption. So if we target the assumption, we are weakening the argument. If we are reinstating the assumption, we are strengthening the argument, right? So this is how the argument flows like. Now, when we say types of patterns, the resemblance of the patterns that are shown in the argument. So resemblance is shown, cause and effect is shown, plan and sampling. So what is cause and effect? There's a cause present and the effect follows. Assumption is no other cause is present. Now, what is resemblance? Something that is true for X is also true for Y, assuming both are similar. Now, what is planning? There is a problem. In order to sort out that particular problem, you make a plan. So the assumption is that there is no problem with the plan. Sampling is something that is true for X should also be true for Y. So something that is true for a subset of population you apply to the larger group, assuming that the sample is representative. So these are few commonly seen patterns. I'm sure if you're practicing questions, you must be observing that more of such type of relationships are exhibited. So if you're able to apply, especially causality and planning, you very frequently see. So you'll get some edge in solving the questions. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everybody. Any doubts you can please ask. Hi Asim and hi Super Cali Fragilistic Expialidocious. Is this the name? So this is the approach. Please stick to the approach. I always feel if you're solving the questions, easier ones with the approach, no problems. You will be able to reach to the answer. कोई दिक्कत नहीं आती. तो students को यहीं पर लगता है कि क्यों approach apply करें. But when it comes to difficult questions, you need the approach, right? So you have to make a habit to follow the approach. So always advise that keep a set approach that gives you more a focus, more clarity. Okay, so first is read the question stem. So I hope know the task words. Assumption ka assumes, presupposes, um, strengthening, bolster, support the claim made by the author, weakening ka cast a doubt, undermine. Then flaw, what is the fallacy, flaw in the argument, resolve and explain the paradox, right? Contradiction, such words you will see. So first is read the question, then deconstruct the argument. Deconstruction simply means break the argument in conclusion, premise, and assumption, or you can simply see the fact. So like in cases of inference and resolve and explain, there would be no conclusion and premise, but just the facts mentioned. Always keep a tentative answer choice in your mind. This really helps question solving. And the last step is work on elimination. So I always say that you keep on eliminating the incorrect choices. Whatever remains shall serve as the right answer. So be very sure that even if you're 200% sure that A will be the answer, please go and eliminate the other three and then mark the answer. Keep this in mind. देन व्हाट आर द कॉमन ग्राउंड्स ऑफ एलिमिनेशन. बियॉन्ड द स्कोप नहीं जाना, ये कई बार ट्रैप होता है. इनफैक्ट स्टूडेंट बड़ा इसमें कंफ्यूज होता है. मैंने कल की क्लास में भी ऑब्जर्व किया. देयर इज आउट ऑफ स्कोप चॉइस. स्टूडेंट कहता है कि आउट ऑफ स्कोप, देखो क्वेश्चन तो बोल ही रहा है कि इफ ट्रू है. Majority of the questions are putting this hypothetical clause already in the question. Which of the following if true will strengthen the argument? So you need to see कि answer बाहर से आएगा, but it should come within the scope of the argument. It should not go beyond the scope of the argument. This is slightly tricky, but if you will put a little focus, it will become clear to you. Hi Harshita, good morning बच्चे. Don't let your emotional instinct drive your answer choices. A big mistake students do. So be very careful, and always be suspicious whenever you are encountering words like all, always, none, only, must, never. Always be suspicious about such answer choices. Yes, correct, Roshan. Right, so I hope this is clear. So always whenever you sit, make quick flashcards or notes which are not detailed, but they help you be aware of the type of the questions and the pattern to solve them. So let's quickly start solving it. Let's see, quickly start solving it. Let's see, quickly let me know once you are done, then I'll create a poll. Hi Justin, we have just started solving the questions. You can join us here. Let me know once you're done reading. I'll create the poll. Vinayak always tells me. Okay, okay. Saurabh is saying to wait. Vinayak, एक minute रुकते हैं बेटा. Okay. Who already started getting the answers. You would want to give the answers? Okay, give the answers. C और E में confusion है. तन्मय ये C. C. Okay. C. Let's see. Gautam as Ganesha has also answered. Let's quickly see this question. So, which of the following, if true, would support author's claims? So, it is a strengthening question. Wheat yield and quality. Thank you, Baba the Traveler. God bless you. Thank you so much. Wheat yield and quality is an outcome determined by the genetic potential of the variety interacting in the environment. The same variety may perform differently on a different type of soil and rainfall regime. So you have a particular wheat. The quality of outcome is dependent on the environment also. So on different soil and rainfall, there can be the same yield giving different benefits or different yield. In the past few options in the past few options were available, and meeting the segregations available at local silo often determine choices of wheat variety. So how do we go about it? That if there's a particular wheat quality, so if you are giving it a good environment, it might show a different behavior. So if you go to choice A, the growth of gram in two regions remains same irrespective of different climatic conditions. So this is weakening the argument. This will go out. The agro-scientists have suggested that in order to boost the outcome of wheat crop, fertilizers should be used to provide necessary nutrients vital for crops growth, which the soils can't provide. Again, we can very easily eliminate it. I think this was a quick choice for elimination. Come to see the high quality wheat crop when sown in the region with rich alluvial soil and favorable conditions yielded best quality as claimed by agronomists. So yes, we can keep this particular choice. So this is saying that how interacting with the environment decides the yield and quality. So we will keep this. The agro scientists have seen the similar trends in rice crop as well. So rice crop is out of scope. We are not talking about rice crop. A research paper submitted by an eminent agronomist suggests that there are several other factors apart from environmental factors that determine. तो ये तो फिर other factors point out कर देंगे तो argument को हम weaken कर देंगे, right? So what is the correct answer? The correct answer choice will be C. Is this clear? Correct. Very good. Very good. Those who answered correctly. Yes, correct. Absolutely right. Very good. Hi, Govind. Hi, Nisban or Nisban. I don't know how you pronounce your name. Hi, Pratik. Very, very good. Shabash. Chalo. Let's move to the next question now. Do this. Shabash. Do it. Hi, Harsh. Good morning. We are on the second question, Harsh. We have just done one. Please join from here. Let me know once you are done, then I'll create a poll. Okay, so majority of you answered it correctly. Nisman, latitude is horizon, range. Okay. So, which one of the following would strengthen the medical doctor's argument? Strengthening question. Now, quickly, let's see the argument. Sleep deprivation is the cause of many social skills, ranging from irritability to potentially dangerous instances of impaired decision making. Most people today suffer from sleep deprivation to some degree. Therefore, we should restrict the workday to allow people flexibility in scheduling their work hours. So, say the doctor is saying that sleep deprivation causes a lot of problems, and we should be having this flexibility where people can decide their work hours, right? So, let's quickly see. Which of the choice is going to strengthen the argument, right? So the primary cause of sleep deprivation is overwork. So overwork to hum nahi keh sakte. I'm sure this is an out of scope answer choice. Employees would get more sleep if they had greater latitude in scheduling their work hours. Exactly, that's what the argument is saying. So just re-emphasizing on the idea, we will keep this. Individuals vary widely in the amount of sleep they require. Again, this is irrelevant. को तो कह रहा है कि अगर आप रीस्ट्रक्चर करने की परमिशन दोगे तो लोग बेटर तरीके से they'll be able to sleep better, right? And if they are not sleeping better, there will be a lot of problems. More people would suffer from sleep deprivation today than they did in the past if average number of work hours worked per week had not decreased. Again, average number of working hours is a new information, and this is out of scope. The extent of one's sleep deprivation is proportional to the length of workday. Again, we can't comment. So again, it is out of scope. So B is the correct answer. Any doubt, anybody? Most of you were correct. Very, very good. Shabash. I hope there is no doubt. Can we please proceed to the next question? Quickly, let me know. Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's start solving the third question. Thank you for the responses. God bless you. Thank you. So let's quickly start with this particular question. Options थोड़े से tricky हैं, ध्यान से करोगे. You have to be careful while you're evaluating the answer choices. Be very, very careful. The options are very nice. So, I mean, close. Very nice to क्या? Close. So please be very, very careful while you're evaluating. Give it adequate time. Don't rush. Okay, Oshan has answered. Hi, Kushi. Harshit has answered E. Good morning, Vijay. So we have two answers. Both are varying from each other. विनायक इस पे नहीं करेंगे, वो थोड़ा ट्रिकी है. नेक्स्ट पे करेंगे. So we have got three answers and all are varying from each other. Now we have got four answers and all are varying from each other. Now I've got five answers and all five are different. You would like to do it again? एक बार please, I would request for. I know you have answered it, but I would still, yeah, unity in diversity. So everybody is coming up with a different answer. Please just try to do it once again. Just go for it once again. Then of course we are going to discuss. एक बार, just relook the question again. We'll consider each of the options. Don't worry. We'll have a good discussion on each of the answer choices. But before we start with the discussion, I would like you to do it just once again. Please do it once again. I know the question is difficult, so we'll have variations. The question is difficult. The options are slightly tricky, so no problems. But just take a look again, and once you have redone it, then you let me know in the chat box that, ma'am, we have reattempted. Then we will start the discussion. More I read my answer, I think answer is different. I think E. Okay, Gautam. Yeah, so see, when you move to certain tricky questions, that's how the battle becomes a little difficult, right? So it is okay. Confused now, Udbisita is confused between two answer choices. Okay. Chalo. So, anybody who's still redoing it, doing it is okay, redoing it, or should we start the discussion? Acha karo Kushi. Once you are done, you please let me know. Then we'll begin. Most vulnerable to criticism. So basically, it's a flaw that you need to identify in the argument. Flaw kya hai? The author has made a conclusion on the basis of the premise. There's certain attributes which have not been taken into account. So you call it a gap, you call it a loophole, you call it a flaw, right? You call it a language shift, whatever. So the author has drawn a conclusion on the basis of premise, and certain aspects have not been considered. So what those aspects have not been considered while deducing the conclusion, we have to figure out that. C and E both seem to be very close. Okay. Okay, Neil. Chalo. So let's start. Kushi, have you attempted? Okay. Okay. So let's see. Some people believe that good health is due to luck. However, studies from many countries indicate a strong relationship between good health and high educational levels. So they are saying that good health is only due to luck, but isko contradict kar raha hai that many countries indicate a strong correlationship between good health and high educational levels. Thus, research supports the view that good health is largely the result of making informed lifestyle choices. सो सी देयर थ्री थिंग्स, पहले लक आ गया, फिर उन्होंने कहा कोरिलेशन बिटवीन गुड हेल्थ एंड हाई एजुकेशनल लेवल्स है. Then the research is suggesting that good health is largely the result of making informed lifestyle choices. Right? So now I hope the argument is clear to you. तो पहले ने कहा good health is due to luck, फिर उन्होंने कहा कि correlation है between good luck and high educational levels. Thus, research supports view that good health is largely due to the result of making informed lifestyle choices. तो यानी कि अब informed lifestyle choices और educational level में कोई तो इनको relationship show करना चाहिए था जो exhibited नहीं है. I hope the argument is clear. Quickly give me a thumbs up if you are clear with what's going on in the argument. Then of course we are going to discuss the options. Everybody, are we clear? Okay, good, good. I hope किसी को argument में तो problem नहीं है. So see, presumes without providing justification that only highly educated people make informed life choices. तो देखो only नहीं कह सकते हो आप, it is extreme. और argument ने only बोला भी नहीं है कहीं. Right? Is this clear that A can't be the answer? पहले मुझे ये बताओ, A, are we clear? A can't be the answer. There were some students who had marked A. A का elimination clear है. Good Udbisita, very good. Good Tanmay, Shabash. Good Gautam, good Neil, good Ginisha, good Khushi, very good. So A goes out. ठीक है. Overlooks the good Saurabh, Shabash. Overlooks the possibility that people who make informed lifestyle choices may nonetheless suffer from inherited disease. अब inherited disease भी beyond the scope of the argument है. एक बार देखो, beyond the scope, this particular dimension is not considered in the argument. So are we okay in eliminating B? Quickly let me know in yes or no with the way you answered before. ठीक है, चलो, good, very good, good Saurabh, good Vinayak, good Gautam, good Tanmay. Now come to C. Presumes without providing justification that informed life choices are available to everyone. Are we talking about availability? Are we talking about availability? There were certain students who went for C. Availability to everyone. How do we say that? ये तो कह रहे हैं good health is largely the result of making informed answer choices. So it's available to everyone. तो फिर कोई correlation बताने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. So can we eliminate C? Yes or no? Please take a look and let me know. C का elimination is fine. अच्छा. Oshan देखो, presumes without providing justification that informed lifestyle choices are available to everyone. देखो यहाँ पर अगर आप ये चीज समझोगे तो ये बोल रहा है research supports good health is largely the result of making informed lifestyle choices. अब इन्होंने कहा है कि good health और high educational levels correlated है. So now if you are going to see making informed lifestyle choices, how do I associate both these? And it is not about the matter of availability, it is the matter that people who are using their brains to make informed lifestyle choices. Ushan, samajh mein aa gaya? Are we happy now? I mean clear now with the elimination of C? किसी को C के elimination में अब doubt तो नहीं है? Very good Ushan, shabash. Now we have two answer choices, so let's evaluate both the options before we take a final call. Overlooks the possibility that the same thing may causally contribute both to education and good health. इसका क्या करना है? I'll just rub the board, it's too clumsy. So इसका बताओ, what will we do of this? A goes out, we know B goes out and C goes out. So please now take a look at two answer choices and tell me which is a better one. So a lot of you have of course answered E as an answer. So please quickly take a look between D and E for which choice you are going to go for. Okay. So we have three answers which are suggesting E. Ganesha is saying D. Any other answer choice? So lot of E's and one D. D को eliminate कैसे करोगे तन्मय? How will you eliminate D? तन्मय had answered E. सौरभ E को कैसे eliminate करोगे? Same thing, मतलब the same idea. How do you eliminate D if you have picked E, and the question is how do you and vice versa. If you have picked D, what is the ground of eliminating E, and if you have picked E, what is the ground of eliminating D? D support कर रहा है. Overlooks the possibility. Overlooks the possibility कह रहे हैं ना उशान. So see, quickly tell me. I'll do a poll. How many for D and how many for E? A quick poll. अच्छा, इसमें दो की तो choices ही नहीं है. True mark करना if you feel D is the answer, and false mark करना if E is the answer. हाँ, true false कर लेते हैं सौरभ, right? I am not picking, I am just writing true. मैं कोई call नहीं ले रही हूँ यहाँ पर. Perfect split. 50% of the class says true and 50% of the class says false. So now more students have been tilted towards D. ये मतलब मैं आपको सिर्फ वो बता रही हूँ जिन्होंने D मार्क किया था. राइट, अच्छा गुड. तन्मय रीजनिंग क्या है? राधा डी की रीजनिंग क्या है? गिनीशा व्हाई डी इज अ बेटर ऑप्शन? नील सेइंग डी नहीं होगा. ई स्लाइटली आउट ऑफ स्कोप. गौतम की ये रीजनिंग है. करेक्ट. देखो, see, let's quickly see both these answer choices. Right, Tanmay. Overlooking the possibility that the same thing may causally contribute both to education and good health. तो ये वाला जो एस्पेक्ट था ना, good health is due to luck. So luck might be contributing to high educational levels and good health. ये वाला पॉइंट तो कंसिडर ही नहीं किया ना जब कंक्लूजन लिया. समझ में आ रही है बात? ये था तो सही आर्ग्यूमेंट में कहीं ना कहीं. Neil, are you making sense here? Saurabh and Tanmay and Gautam, good. Does not acknowledge that some people who fail to make informal lifestyle choices are in good health. Isn't it extreme? Right? Are you able to see Neil and the others who went for Oshan? समझ में आ रहा है why E can't be the answer? Who fail to make informed lifestyle choices are in good health. तो ये तो आप कैसे एक्नॉलेज करेगा जब वो क्लेम ही यही कह रहा है कि जो एजुकेशनल चॉइसेस ले रहे हैं, मतलब काउंटर ऑफ द आर्ग्यूमेंट ही तो रिवर्सल हो गया ना. हाँ, उद्भिन्नता देखो, ई चॉइस बोलती है डज नॉट एक्नॉलेज दैट सम पीपल हु फेल टू मेक इन्फॉर्म्ड लाइफस्टाइल चॉइसेस आर इन गुड हेल्थ. ये तो कोरिलेशन बताना चाह रहा है कि हाई एजुकेशनल लेवल्स, इन्फॉर्म्ड लाइफस्टाइल चॉइसेस, गुड हेल्थ और लक. राइट, इसके बीच में रिलेशनशिप को एग्जिबिट करना है. तो वो कह रहा है, उसने कहा गुड हेल्थ इज ड्यू टू लक. तो फिर वो राइट. सो द पॉइंट इज दिस दैट दिस फैक्टर, द फर्स्ट लाइन वाज नॉट टेकन इनटू कंसिडरेशन व्हाइल ड्राइंग द कंक्लूजन. Right, is this clear to you, Udbhisata, Oshan and Neil? I want the answers in yes or no. Okay. Oshan, आप हो क्या या चले गए पता नहीं. Is this clear to everybody now? I hope you liked the question. Yes, it was slightly tricky, but that's how we are supposed to do in the series. Okay. Everybody, did you get it? Any doubts? Anybody, please go ahead and ask. I know the question was difficult, but we should do some, yeah, yeah, Udvisata. Yes, it was with the options. It was slightly tricky. So there are one or two more good questions which I really was very excited to discuss with you. Can we please proceed? Any doubts? Anybody? Preeti, Vinayak, Ankit, Asim, Udvisata, Saurabh, Neil, Harsh. Harsh, so kind of you to answer. Whoever is present in the class, the question goes for everybody. चलो, थैंक यू विनायक. चलो करो, इसको करो. Hi Alan Musk, that's such a nice username. We are solving some good questions of critical reasoning, so you can join us from here if you wish to continue. हर्ष, आपने नो क्यों बोला था? सॉरी, आपने ये बोला था नो डाउट, या यू वांटेड सम मोर डिस्कशन इन द क्वेश्चन? अच्छा, थैंक यू. Okay, we started getting some answers. Cool. assumption निकालना है सौरभ, देखो एक बार. Okay, now let's quickly see. Correct, Tanmay. So very good, shabash. So let's quickly see. In humans, ingested protein is broken down into amino acids, all of which must compete to enter the brain. Subsequent ingestion of sugar leads to production of insulin, a hormone that breaks down the sugar and also rids the bloodstream of residual amino acids except tryptophan. Tryptophan then slips into the brain uncontested, matlab nobody stops it. Good, very good, Udvisita. Uh, and is transformed into the chemical serotonin, increasing the brain's serotonin level. Thus, the sugar can play a major role in mood elevation, helping one to feel relaxed and anxiety free. So, sugar plays a major role. This is basically a cause and effect relationship. That means what are we assuming, that the cause is creating the effect? Right now we come to answer choice say elevation of mood and freedom from anxiety require increasing the level of serotonin in brain. देखो, this leads to this effect, but this choice is saying कि यही होगा, right? That we can't say. I hope we are clear that why A can't be the answer. Now when I say that A causes B, I can't say that A is always required to cause B. Are we clear here that how do we eliminate A के elimination में कोई doubt है? Any doubts? Yes or no? Please let me know. किसी को डाउट तो नहीं है? I'm assuming if you are not answering that you have no doubt. ठीक है, चलो, thank you Neil. Failure to consume a food rich in sugar results in anxiety and lowering moods. Failure is extreme. B choice goes out. Come to C. Serotonin can be produced naturally only if. So only नहीं बोल सकते हो. We can't comment. Right? So C also goes out. Increasing the level of serotonin in the brain promotes relaxation, freedom from anxiety. Yes, ये तो of course it's very clearly seen that this is the assumption. Come to E. The consumption of protein-rich foods result in anxiety and a lowering of mood. तो इसको कैसे eliminate करोगे? So this is actually a good close choice. So how we eliminate E? People who went for D, very very good. E का elimination कैसे किया? What was the ground of eliminating choice E? If anybody could please tell me. The consumption of protein-rich foods results in anxiety and lowering of mood. बताओ, उद्विसता, तन्मय. There were a lot of correct answers. E का elimination का ground क्या है? No answers. ये अब आपको लग रहा है E भी हो सकता है. सौरभ, आपने तो ये स्टिल गोइंग विद ई. सौरभ, ये आपने आंसर चेंज कर लिया. देखो, the consumption of protein rich food results in anxiety and lowering of mood. ये तो opposite बोल रहा है ना सौरभ, ये तो आर्ग्यूमेंट को कोलैप्स करेगा. I hope this is clear. It's a pretty straight. It is basically saying कि इससे तो anxiety और lowering of mood हो रहा है. हम तो यहाँ पर कह रहे हैं. अच्छा, ये supporting D. Okay, so D is the answer. Okay, so this is opposite of the text. It is damaging the argument. Assumption का role होता है to hold the argument. I hope it is clear to everybody now. It's a pretty straight answer choice to be eliminated. It is damaging the argument. Okay, so can we please move to the next question? Preeti, Ankit, Gautam, Ganesha, chalo. This is again a very nice question. I like it. So let's quickly try solve this. I like this question. It's again an interesting question. मैं आपको हर बार जो extreme answer choice बताती हूँ ना, उस वो point एक आपको explain करना चाह रही थी मैं. I was looking for a question. Finally, I found one. मजा आएगा आपको करने में. Try solving it. Very interesting question. You'll find it interesting to solve. I hope आपने कल का phrasal verbs का short देखा है सबने. Started with phrasal verbs also क्योंकि उनको retain करना थोड़ा challenging होता है. Good. Very good. Time लेके करना. The question is very nice. गौतम वापस करो. Very interesting question. And there's a lesson also that I want to teach here with this question. अंकित एलन मास्क एक बार वापस देखो. वापस करो सौरभ. करेक्ट अभिषेक. शाबाश. करेक्ट भूपेंद्र. वेरी गुड. गिनिशा वापस करो. सौरभ वापस करो. See, the idea is to, help you understand that what are the possible variations. The idea is not to give you a feel good, right? I don't want to give you a feel good in the sessions. Good, good, very good, Saurabh. Shabash, very good, very good. Thank you, Nisha. Chalo, let's discuss Kushi. Anybody who's still doing? I don't know how many of you are still here. Kushi, Ginisha, Ankit, Vinayak, Abhishek. We do it Monday to Friday at 9 a.m. बिल्कुल ठीक है सौरभ. शाबाश. हाँ गिनीशा चलो करो करो बेटा. डिस्कस करो. I mean कर लो. Take your time. Enjoy the process. Okay. And Abhishek, in the evening, the series is happening on YouTube, which is at 8 p.m. Cat Challenger series. You can join there. अब ठीक है एलन मस्क. वेरी गुड. शाबाश. नहीं नील वापस करो. उद्भिसता एक बार वापस अटेम्प्ट करो. आई होप यू डोंट. राइट सौरभ. बिल्कुल ठीक है. मुझे एक्चुअली आपको एक पॉइंट समझाना था इस क्वेश्चन में. आई अंडरस्टैंड आप क्यों करेक्ट आंसर की तरफ थोड़े से टिल्टेड नहीं हो गए. आई नो इट इज देयर, बट आई वांटेड टू ब्रिंग अ पॉइंट हियर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. कर लें डिस्कस. गिनिशा, व्हाट डू यू से? गरिमा, गिनिशा, राधा. ओके चलो. एलन मस्क ने कह दिया, अब तो करेंगे. So if the statements of the passage are true, which of the following can be concluded? आपको पहली चीज तो ये समझ में आना चाहिए inference का question है. So inference is a logical conclusion that can be drawn on the basis of the facts that are provided. राइट? अब देखो, आई जस्ट क्विकली मेक अ लिटिल डायग्राम हियर. मतलब आप कैसे भी कर सकते हो. मैंने आपको कहा था फैक्ट्स को थोड़ा सा नोट डाउन कर लोगे तो एक्यूरेसी अच्छी रहती है, इन्वॉल्वमेंट अच्छा रहता है. आई एम फर्म बिलीवर ऑफ डूइंग स्क्रैच पेपर वर्क. अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एंजाइटी एंड एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर लीड्स टू नॉजिया. ठीक है. Now it is saying all the contestants for the new reality show Super X suffer from external pressure. तो सारे के सारे ऑडिशनर्स, ये ए एन एंजाइटी है, ए यू इज ऑडिशनर्स. मैं पेन चेंज कर दूं क्या? पेन के कलर्स आर नॉट ब्राइट. ठीक है. सो देखो, ऑल द ऑडिशनर्स ऑफ द रियलिटी शो सुपर एक्स सफर फ्रॉम एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर. तो हम ऐसा कुछ लिख सकते हैं, ऑल सारे ऑडिशनर्स को एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर है. कैन वी से दैट ऑल द ऑडिशनर्स सफर फ्रॉम एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर? आई होप यहाँ पर कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Now some of the contestants feel anxiety about performing well. Hi Veera. Uh, some of the contestants feel anxiety about performing well for the judges, but others do not feel anxious. तो कुछ ऑडिशनर्स को एंजाइटी होती है, कुछ को नहीं होती. तो मैं ऐसे कर दूं, ये मैंने ऑडिशनर्स बनाए थे ए यू, इन सबको एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर था, कुछ को एंजाइटी है. तो ये वाला जो है, इनको एंजाइटी है, जो ये है इनको नहीं है. राइट? So the judges of Super X select only those contestants who feel anxiety. अब क्या फैक्ट आ गया? Only those selected who feel anxiety. तो हमारे पास क्या क्या फैक्ट्स थे? पहला था एंजाइटी और एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर से नॉजिया होगा. सारे ऑडिशनर्स को एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर है. ठीक है. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. फिर उसके बाद ये कह रहे हैं कि some of the contestants feel anxiety, some don't, and only those are selected who feel anxiety. ठीक है. तो अब आप ये देखो, the auditions for Super X cause more performers to feel external pressure than to auditions for other shows. तो for other shows कैसे कहें जिन्होंने A mark किया था? We can't talk about other shows, कोई information ही नहीं है, so this choice will go out. Most of the people who audition become contestants on Super X. We again can't say it. Good, Udbisita, very good. So B also goes out. There is more nausea among contestants for Super X than judges of Super X. तो जजेस की एंजाइटी की या नॉजिया की बात ही नहीं करी है, तो इवन सी विल गो आउट. अब बचा क्या? डी. मेरे को यहाँ पे आपको ये समझाना था कि एक्सट्रीम का मतलब होता है द क्लेम शुड नॉट बी स्ट्रॉन्गर देन द क्लेम मेड बाय द ऑथर. अब ये देखिए, ये कह रहे हैं कि सारे के सारे ऑडिशनर्स को एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर है और उन्हीं को सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं जिनको एंजाइटी है. सबको एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर है, सिलेक्ट उनको कर रहे हैं जिनको एंजाइटी है. तो अल्टीमेटली जो भी सिलेक्ट हो रहा है उसको नॉजिया है. So this is not stronger than the claim made by the author and hence it fits in to be the correct answer. समझ में आई बात? बात समझ में आ रही है आपको? Yes or no? Quickly give me a thumbs up. मुझे यहाँ पे आपको क्वेश्चन आ गया, शाबाश, करेक्ट किया, वेरी गुड. ट्रिकी वन, यस. सुपर 30 में वी आर ट्राइंग टू इन्वॉल्व सम गुड क्वेश्चंस. देखो, मुझे फॉल्स फील गुड नहीं देना. इट विल कीप यू ऑन योर टोज व्हेन यू नो दैट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्कोप ऑफ चैलेंजिंग क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. कोई डाउट तो नहीं है? तो एक्सट्रीम का मतलब ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल व्हेन यू आर एनकाउंटरिंग वर्ड्स लाइक ऑल, ऑलवेज, नन, ओनली, मस्ट, नेवर. सस्पिशियस रहना है, पर ऑथर के क्लेम से ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गर क्लेम नहीं होना चाहिए, जो इस केस में नहीं है. दैट इज द रीजन डी इज एक्सेप्टेड एज एन आंसर. ठीक है. तो ये एक बार फटाफट करोगे. Yeah, actually this is also a good question. We are running out of time. Would you mind taking it as your homework? Yeah, please make it the question of the day. ठीक है. इसको इवनिंग में इस कैट चैलेंजेस सीरीज में डिस्कस कर लेंगे. आंसर मैं आपको ग्रुप पे बता दूंगी, आई मीन टेलीग्राम चैनल पे. इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन. आपको बहुत मजा आएगा करके. सो आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू रश विद दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. So please take it as your homework, and when we meet in the evening we will discuss about it. अभिषेक, ये देखो, ये टेलीग्राम चैनल है, ये दिख रहा है आपको स्क्रीन पर. एलन मस्क, अभिषेक, ये देखो. आई होप यू आर एबल टू सी. So I'll make it the question of the day for today, and when we meet in the evening at 8 p.m. we can discuss it there. Okay. I hope you found the questions good. इससे भी ज़्यादा difficulty level raise करना है या these are good to go? You want me to, raise it to absolutely another level? I mean, I'm trying to incorporate some difficult questions so that you get adequate practice. So Udbisita is happy with the questions. What about others? I hope you're happy with the questions. You're finding them to be engaging and you're learning a lot. Okay, good, Gautam, good. So we are going to continue on Monday. ठीक है अभिषेक, noted. Sure, Alan, we'll include some more. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely, Neil. You can go for GMAT after solving these questions. You can go for CAT, you can go for ZAT, you can go for GRE, any exam you want. Some of the questions are also from GMAT Club. I mean, official guide, GMAT official guide. So Monday we are meeting. So Super 30 में 12 we have done. In fact, 11 करा है. ठीक है नील, noted. ठीक है. So in the evening we are meeting for the CAT Challenger series, so please join there. Udbisat, I'm trying to figure out to keep some class on Saturday. So one thing is there that everybody please be on Telegram. मेरे लिए ना communicate करना easy हो जाएगा. So I'll try to keep one, maybe possibly at 9 or 10 in the evening. I am not committing on it. This class is on for sure. So tomorrow's class I'll confirm on Telegram. आपको, if you're following it, you get the updates about the upcoming sessions, right? You get the updates now on the app also or Telegram पे, तो you are connected only. ठीक है, so I'll let you know. Okay, evening, please start joining the series. Many of you are not doing it. We're doing some very good questions. The exposure will be, good. This is our iconic one-on-one live mentorship program, and I always believe professional help always helps, right? So these are some amazing features. You have a person who's going to handhold you and is a professional in his or her field. So expertise जिस trainer की और वो आपको guide कर रहा है as compared to, at times students would take help from people who have passed the exam, cracked exam. वो बिल्कुल incorrect approach नहीं है, पर उस स्टूडेंट का अपना प्लान था, उसका मे बी वर्बल स्ट्रॉन्ग था, क्वांट वीक था, आपके साथ वाइसा वर्सा कंडीशन हो सकती है. सो आई ऑलवेज से, आई मीन आप इसको पर्सनली भी अप्लाई करके देखिए. एट एवरी स्टेज इफ यू हैव अ पर्सन हु हैज गॉट क्लैरिटी एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द पेपर, he or she can help you better. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. So there are lot of amazing features of this iconic program, and hand holding is the one that I really like the most. So these are the trainers who have been a part of IIMs themselves, and they're training the students. These are the students who have made us proud. They were a part of 2020 iconic program. So fees is again very reasonable. So if you're going for 6 month subscription, if you're going for 2021, this is suggested 25,800. For 2 years, you can begin early, and the fees is come down for a limited time. For 18 months, it is 28,550. And in case you are also targeting campus recruitments, I mean, you're an engineer and you're looking to, crack the interview, so you can go for this combo offer, which is for 12 months as well as for 6 months. So for 12 months, the fees is 29,624. And for 6 months, it is 19,960. Very reasonable. You can, see, it would hardly on monthly basis, it would come out to be negligible. I mean, very less. It's just like, money you'll spend on one coffee date. Every Sunday there is a scholarship test happening. I am requesting you, please appear for as many tests as possible. आप prepared नहीं हो, अभी आपने बहुत concepts नहीं करे, understandable, फिर भी आप test दो. Logic पता चलता है, test taking interface से friendliness होती है. In all India test है, तो आपको, you'll be able to understand where do you stand. So it will be an eye opener. I would always suggest go for tests. It's a very good idea to prepare. Okay. So the same code can be used to get a 10% off on the subscription to enroll for the test. Classes special की आपने unlock कर ही ली है. ठीक है. So I hope you found the session to be useful and interesting. Please join me in the evening also. Keep practicing, keep working hard. And the last question, I'll put it in the Telegram group as the question of the day. May God bless you. Thank you, Saurabh. Please take care. All the best. Take care. Bye. Bye.